If you're uploading a YouTube short and your short are not getting views, let me tell you something. Your video is not the problem. Most times, it's the structure of your video. In this video, I'm going to show you exact reasons your shorts are not getting views and the simple fix that can help your shorts get pushed. How shorts actually work. Once you upload your YouTube short, YouTube does not immediately promote the short to millions of people. What YouTube does is that it tests it with a small number of people, your core audience. Who are your core audience? Your core audience are your subscribers and your usual return viewers. YouTube push these videos to them first and watches their reaction. If these people watch this short, like this shot and rewatch this shot, YouTube recommend it to more people. If the reverse is the case and these people did not watch this shot, the system automatically pauses the recommendation of this video. And this is why some shorts get millions of views and some barely get 10 views. Why your shorts are not getting views? The first 2 seconds of your short really matters. In fact, it's everything in your short. If the beginning of your short is slow, viewers scroll immediately. The difference between those shorts that are getting views and those ones that are not getting views is that those ones that are getting views are working under the law of the new algorithm, and while those ones that are not getting views are working under the law of old algorithm. You have to understand something very important. For your short to start going viral this 2026, you have to learn how to make your short shorter, make your short engaging, captivating, make your shorts have curiosity, entertaining, for you to start getting kind of views. You have to create a sharp thumbnail for your short. Before, short does not need thumbnail. Now you need to place a highly captivating thumbnail on your short. Now let me show you how to fix thumbnail on your short. When you upload your short, you go to this icon, this pencil icon here. You will click here. Once you click here, it's going to give you the opportunity, the thumbnail you want to use for the video. So you are going to come here. You're going to choose the most attractive part of that shot, the most captivating shot part of that shot. So you have to place it, and once you place it like this, it's already saved. Also add caption, a curiosity driving caption, a caption that attracts people to click. So once you add it like this and place it, this attracts people to click on your shot. That caption only can make people to click on your shot, and once they click on your shot, you give them reason within 5 seconds that within 2 seconds they submit your video. You give them reason that they should watch the video to the end. Instead of saying, hello guy, my name is this, you give them a topic like how if your shorts are not getting views, this could be the reason. With this, you have already tell them their problems and they are expecting solution. That person will listen and watch. What attracts people to watch shorts is what they hear or see when they are watching shorts. Shorts is no longer the shorts we used to see before. Shorts now are likely to go viral when they are shorter. So make your shorts below 60 seconds, if possible below 30 seconds. A 10 second short are likely to go viral and more than 40 seconds short. So the shorter your shorts this time will make your shorts go more viral. Don't bring intro in your short and don't be stable in your short. Short want you to express yourself, either hand expressing, body expressing, or your movement expression. So you need to put something in your short to attract people to stay and watch your short, to hook people to watch to the end, because the goal is for you to get people watch from beginning of your short to the end of that short. For you to do this, you need to cut off every boring part in your short. You need to edit your short, cut it to have loop from the beginning to the end should be like the same thing, making it look that people will stay and watch the shorts to the end. What can make people scroll past your shorts? It's weak start. Starting your shorts like, hi guys, hi, slow intro. In shorts, you don't need anything like intro. Shorts are to be entertaining, engaging, and captivating. Shorts are to be sharp, smart. Now, if you start your short with this introduction, people already scroll past your short. You understand what I mean? The way people that watch short watch short, they watch short scrolling, they only watch based on what captured their attention. That is how people that watch short always watch short. They watch short based on what captured their attention. So they scroll very fast. They stop when they hear or see anything that trigger their attention. For you to get people watch your short must start with fast and engaging. Cut every long intro, every long pause, slow talk, unnecessary introduction. Unnecessary introduction makes viewers sweep away immediately. Remember, the goal is for you to keep people watching till the end. Another reason is that poor watch time. YouTube algorithm mainly check retention on your video. For example, if you upload a 20-second short and people watch that 20-second short, they watch 5 seconds, the YouTube algorithm immediately pause the recommendation of that short. So the viewers watch at least 90% of that short, YouTube keep pushing that short. It keep recommending that short to more people. You have to hook people. Within 2 seconds of your short, you have to tell people the reason they should watch your short. You have to start your short with curiosity or problem. Now, your focus is to make people watch the whole videos. Then how do you get this? You have to keep your short short. Keep your short short. Let your short be below 60 seconds. Now, look, I created a content that is lower and the content go more viral than the one that is longer. Now, the new law of the new algorithm said the shorter your short, the more likely that short is to go viral. Now, if your short is shorter, it's more likely to fly. Now, for example, a 10-second short will go viral than 20-second short. The 20-second shorts are likely to go viral than 40-second short. 40-second shorts are likely to go viral than 60-second shorts, and 60-second shorts are likely to go viral than 2-minute shorts. Now, for you to create a short of 2 minutes and people watch it, that short must be highly entertaining, engaging, curiosity for you to get people to watch that 2-minute short. People that watch shorts are different from people that watch long form content. People that watch shorts are the people that they scroll and watch. They don't just go and click your shorts. They just scroll and they are captured by what they hear or what they see on your short. Now, how do you treat this? Create curiosity. Curiosity increases rewatch. One secret most creators don't understand: when your short is not getting viewed, that does not mean your channel is dead. What it means is that you should focus more on improving your hook. The solution is consistent and with improvement. You have to make your short engaging, entertaining, make your short smart. A lot of creators do one thing. What they do is that they add kind of speed in their content. You have to make sure that your short is entertaining. Your short, it can attract people. You create a short that is not boring. You cut off every boring part in your short. You make sure that you edit your short in a looping form. Like, if your short starts with something, let it end with that thing. Let the short be in looping form. The kind of short you watch, when you watch it finish, you will not even know that you have already watched it finish. It starts from beginning again. And remember, the more people watches your short and rewatch your short, the more YouTube tend to promote that short, to distribute it. That is when you will see the short will start going viral. If your shorts are not getting views, focus on improving your hook, your watch time, and your passing. This will make people to watch your content again and again, even without knowing that they have watched it finish. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I share practical YouTube strategies that help small creators grow faster. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.